Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G could be the most expensive smartphone. How? Before talking on this, Samsung is preparing to launch four foldable mobile phones next year in 2021, and it is expected that they will launch these foldable mobile phones in the second half of 2021. So don't need to expect anything when they will launch Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Viewers, if we talk about the previous series, Samsung Galaxy S20 series, and compare it with Samsung Galaxy S21 series, Samsung Galaxy S20 and Samsung Galaxy, and compare it with Samsung Galaxy S21 and Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus could be this price difference. And these two smartphones, Samsung Galaxy S21 and Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, are going to be the cheaper than these smartphones previous series. And it is expected that the price difference, price reduced by $50 to $100. But if you talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, it could be the expensive mobile phone. Viewers, the price difference could be the $50 to $100 and could be more $50 to $100 expensive than Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And I already made a video on Samsung Galaxy, actually a number of videos on Samsung Galaxy S21 series. You can go to the playlist of Samsung and watch that videos. Viewers, I will keep you updated and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.